So let us continue this motion topic. Let us write next problem. A car moving with a speed of 50 meters per a car moving with a speed of 30 meters per second. Upon the application of brakes comes to rest. Upon application of brakes comes to rest within a distance of 5 meters. What is the retardation produced by the brakes? What is the retardation produced by the brakes? Here, whenever brakes are applied, then the body comes to rest. So whenever brakes are applied, the speed velocity of the body decreases. So when brakes are applied, when we apply the brakes, final velocity v will become 0. When brakes are applied, the body comes to rest. Final velocity v will become 0 and distance is given as 5 meters. Now, what is the retardation produced? So, retardation we have to find. Negative acceleration is called retardation. If minus sign is there for acceleration, then that is called retardation. So here, when brakes are applied, the body comes to rest. So final velocity is 0, v is 0. Distance travelled by the body is s is equal to 5 meters. We have to find retardation. Now initial velocity is given 30 meters per second. Now v is 0, u is 30 meters per second, s is 5 meters. First we should find out a. So we have this equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. v is 0, u is 30 square, 2a we have to find, s distance is given as 5 meters. Minus 30 square is 900. 2 5s are 10a. Send 10 this side. We will get a is equal to minus 900 by 10. That is, acceleration is equal to minus 90. This negative acceleration we call it as retardation. If acceleration is minus 90, retardation will be plus 90. Both are in opposite sign. So retardation is equal to 90 meters per second square. So we will get acceleration. This negative acceleration is called retardation. So if acceleration is minus 90, then retardation will be plus 90. So whenever brakes are applied, final velocity you have to take as 0. Distance is yes 5 meters given. Retardation you have to find. Initial velocity u is equal to 30. The relation between these quantities is v square minus u square 2as. If you substitute here, you will get acceleration minus 90. If acceleration is minus 90, retardation and acceleration both are equal, but they are in opposite sign. So retardation will be plus 90. A car takes 20 seconds to stop after applying the brakes. Find the initial velocity if the retardation due to brakes is 1.5 meters per second square. Find the initial velocity if the retardation due to brakes is 1.5 meters per second square. Whenever brakes are applied, then the body comes to rest. Therefore, when brakes are applied, then the speed of the body decreases, then final velocity will become 0. So when brakes are applied, final velocity V is 0. A car takes 20 seconds. Time is given as 20 seconds. Find the initial velocity. Initial velocity we have to find. So initial velocity is denoted by u, that we have to find. Retardation is given as 1.5. Retardation and acceleration both are equal, but they have opposite sign. If retardation is 1.5, then acceleration will be minus 1.5. So when brakes are applied, final velocity is 0. Time is given as 20 seconds. Initial velocity u you have to find. Retardation is 1.5 meters per second square. Retardation and acceleration both are equal, but they have opposite sign. If the retardation is 1.5, then acceleration will be minus 1.5. So let us take the equation which involves this. V is 0, t is 20. Initial velocity we have to find. Retardation is 1.5, acceleration. So which equation we have to take? V is equal to u plus at. If you take V is there, u is there, t is there. So let us take V is equal to u plus at. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity we have to find. Acceleration is minus 1.5. Time is given as 20. So 0 is equal to u minus 1.5 into this 0 will become 15 2s are 30. Send minus 30 this side. So 30 is equal to u. Therefore, initial velocity u is equal to 30 meters per second. A car is moving with a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. A car is moving with a speed of A car is moving with a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. For applying the brakes, the speed in 8 seconds for applying the brakes the speed for applying the brakes in 8 seconds calculate the acceleration produced. So a car is moving with a speed of 54 kilometers per hour. This is initial velocity. Initial velocity u is equal to 54 kilometers per hour. For applying brakes, when brakes are applied, when we apply the brake, the body comes to rest. So final velocity v is equal to 0. In 8 seconds, time is given as 8 seconds. So we have to find acceleration produced. Here 54 kilometers per hour, let us convert into meter per second. Yesterday I told you kilometer per hour can be converted into meter per second by multiplying with 5 by 18. We should multiply by 5 by 18, then kilometer per hour will be converted into meter per second. 18 threes are, that is it will become 15 meters per second. This is initial velocity. When brakes are applied, final velocity is 0, time is 8 seconds. We have to find acceleration. So acceleration is equal to, formula is there, v minus u by t, change in the velocity by time. Final velocity is 0, acceleration, initial velocity is minus 15, time is 8. So acceleration is equal to minus 15 by 8 meter per second square. The driver in a car is moving. The driver in a car is moving with a speed of 10 meters per second. The driver in a car is moving with a speed of 10 meters per second. Increases the speed at the rate of 10 meters per second for 5 seconds. Increases the speed at the rate of 10 meters per second for 5 seconds. What is the maximum speed attained by the car? What is the maximum speed attained by the car? So here the driver in a car is moving with a speed of 10 meters per second. This is initial speed, initial velocity 10 meters per second. First starting its velocity is 10 meters per second. Now what he is doing is the driver is increasing the speed at the rate of 10 meters per second for 5 seconds. For every 1 second he is increasing 10 meters per second speed. First 10, after 1 second it will become 20, next 30, next 40, next 50. Finally, after 5 seconds, what is the speed? 60 meters per second. So, for every 1 second, he is increasing the speed at the rate of 10 meters per second. Initially, it was 10 meters per second. Now, after 1 second, after every second, he is increasing the speed by 10. Like that, he is increasing for 5 seconds. So, first initial velocity is 10 meters per second. After 1 second, the speed will be 20. Next, after 2 seconds, the speed will be 30. After 3 seconds, the speed will be 40. After 4 seconds, the speed will be 50. After 5 seconds, the speed will be 60 meters per second. So, here it is 20. Next, it is 30. Next, 40. Next, 50. Now, after reaching 5 seconds, the speed will be 60 meters per second. So, what is the maximum speed attained means maximum speed attained is how much? 60 meters per second. He is increasing the speed 10 meters per second. For every 1 second he is increasing 10. So first second it will be speed will be 20. Second 30, 40, 50. After 5 seconds the speed will be 60 meters per second. Tomorrow we will continue the class.